I want to show you how to create an invoice in Xero if you're used to using QuickBooks Desktop. Let's start in our familiar QuickBooks Desktop environment. And as you know, to make an invoice here, you would go to Customers, Create Invoices, or click Control-I, and this brings up your invoice form. Here you select your customer, and for every line item that you're selling, you do have to enter something into the item because it is behind the scenes that QuickBooks knows which general ledger sales account to post to. That's up here under the item list. So for instance, this book that I'm selling, it's posted to an account called Other Revenue. We don't know that by looking at the invoice right here. If I wanted to add some gift wrapping, I might have set up an item called Miscellaneous Service and just leave the description blank. And then I could type in freeform what I want. And I also left the price blank, so I just add what I want. And now I have basically made an invoice. If I wanted to preview this, this is what it looks like. To do the same thing in Xero, works like this. Many ways, again, to make an invoice. The simplest way is to come up to the plus sign, which is called the Quick Launch button here. I'll select Invoice, and it brings up an invoice form where I can, again, just select my customer. I can add customers on the fly, just like you can in QuickBooks. And now the difference down here is I can use an item if I want to. I don't want to confirm any details today. I can also just use a freeform line and type something under the description and add a price. And then change the account number that it posts to right here. And then when I'm done, I would just approve it. Let me just give it a quick preview and show you what that looks like. You can see what it looks like on a browser and also what it looks like on a mobile phone. That should give you a quick idea of the difference in creating an invoice between QuickBooks Desktop and Xero.